How much fun is off-road crossing in Dananshan? This video takes you through it. We drive our own off-road vehicle, a rear-wheel drive hunting vehicle, and a four-wheel drive electric UTV. We have successfully challenged Lianhe Reservoir, Shijiao Beach, and Wilderness Camp before. This time we are challenging the fourth off-road route in Guangdong. We arrived at Dananshan in Huizhou with an altitude of over 1,300 meters. On weekends, many people go to play and see the stunning sea of clouds. Will we succeed in the challenge of driving a handmade off-road vehicle? My ultimate goal is to mass produce it after successful testing, so that more amateur enthusiasts can form clubs and play together. After an hour of hard work, we have arrived at half of the road in Dananshan. The scenery above is very beautiful. We keep moving forward, the more difficult it becomes.
The car will find its way round the hill. When it gets there, go ahead, you can continue up.
That's enough. We explore without taking risks. Once there is an accident, it is irreversible, because it can just pass a car here, and below is a bottomless abyss. So we turn back. And that's all for today at Dananshan.